Let me show you how we can enter the Fastboot mode on the Xiaomi 17 and also how we can exit the Fastboot mode on this phone. In order to go to the Fastboot mode, first we need to open the power menu. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button at the same time. There we go. And once we open the power menu, we need to slide down to reboot our phone. Once you reboot the phone, you can immediately press and hold the volume down button, or you can start pressing it once this circle disappears. In my case, I'm just gonna press and hold it right now, and just keep holding it all the time until you see the Fastboot text on the screen. So just keep holding it. You might see the Xiaomi logo for a second, but that is fine, and it should turn into the Fastboot. There we go. As you can see here, now we are in the Fastboot mode. If you want to exit it, you just have to press and hold the power button for approximately 12 seconds. So let's press and hold the power button and just patiently wait to make the Fastboot text disappear. After approximately 12 seconds, the text should be gone. There we go, and now we can let go the power button. And your phone is going to restart and go back into the normal mode. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.